and welcome back to this edition of Good Day Kansas. Today we are with co-authors, also siblings, Sienna and Sebastian Ross. Hey, thank you so much for being with me today, guys.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, and you guys have co-illustrated and co-authored a book series, the Taylor series, and I think we all can kind of guess what that's about.
Yes, ma'am. So the Taylor series as a whole, it really started off with, of course, we are Swifties. We love Taylor Swift, and we were really inspired by Taylor Swift from a very young age because we felt like she was very empowering and she made people feel like they could do anything. So our Taylor series kind of took off, and we made each book about Taylor can be anyone. It became a metaphor, is Taylor's everyone. But our most recent book is with Taylor Takes the NFL by Storm, which we know that is Miss Taylor herself. And this is the story about Travis Kelce as well. So
I love that. Perfect timing as well with the Super Bowl coming up just this weekend. Really, why did you decide to write these exact books?
So the reason we actually decided to write these books is from a very, very young age. My brother and I were always encouraged by our parents to, of course, my brother and I, we are producers, writers, and actors. So from a very young age, we would always write stories all the time. We would write plays, songs, anything that you can think of. And when we saw Taylor being, the inspiration that she is, we decided, you know what, let's take something that we already love and let's bring it into something bigger. Taylor's different in every single book. So it's more of, like we said, Taylor became a metaphor for our books to encourage children that they can be anything.
And you guys want to do something really special for our viewers here in Kansas as well.
Our goal is to give out 50 of our children's books to your city, as we have many different children's books, and it's always been fun for us to write and read these books. However, we want to spread the joy and spread more of our books around.
I love it. Well, how can people get a hold of these books or find more information about you guys?
You can actually find it through our Instagram, Taylor's Perfect Birthday, or through our Facebook page, Taylor's Perfect Birthday as well, all one word. And you can find them on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Walmart, Target, or wherever books are sold. But all of the information for our links are also going to be in our Instagram too.
All right, sounds good. Thank you so much for being with me today.
Thank you for having us.
Yep, and we'll have more on Good Day Kansas coming up right after this.